You can now append G-code data from one drawing to another quickly and simply. First, from the Add-ins tab, select 2D G-code Generator. Next, click on Generate and select your entities. You now have the option to add comments and show line numbers in the G-code file. Finally, click Save. You can see the generated G-code in the notepad. On your second drawing, again click on Generate and select your entities. Click on Append and select Yes when prompted. If you open the G-code file, you can see that the second data set has now been appended to the file. To learn more about DraftSight and how to get a free 30-day trial of DraftSight Professional, visit DraftSight.com/professional.